Hey guys, it's Jerick with Michelle's. I have some more dresses. I know it's been a while since I've done a live video, but we have gotten so many dresses in and we have been super busy trying to get pictures and get them on the website for you guys and post about them. So really quick, here's a live video. Make sure that if you still have a prom dress that you have not yet consigned and you are having a hard time selling it elsewhere, come see us and let us try to sell your dress. We usually price about 50 to 60% of retail, so we're working to get that money out of them for you. So the first one I've got here, this one, it is ivory. It has a like a rose kind of pink color beading sequins, and then it's like a gunmetal gray beading through there, and it's a very Gatsby style look. It's super stunning. It is fully beaded from top to bottom, and the back is stunning also. It is this really nice deep like V back. That's the original tags. I'm tucking out of the way so you can see. And then it has this really pretty little extra hanging right there, draping. Super stunning. It is a Cassandra stone. It retailed for $460. It's a size 12, and we have it for $315, so that's a steal. This next one, super cute. I was already telling the girls that we're going to put this out for Valentine's Day because it is this bright pink, and it's super pretty. It is a really pretty satin skirt. It does have pockets in the skirt, and then the bodice here is a nude underlay with this really pretty lace overlay, and then the little stones on it excuse me, the little stones on it are that hot pink also, so it's just hot pink head to toe. Super stunning. It is a two-piece, so there's that. And then the zipper here is one of the cooler ones where it does show like the metal with it. It's a Giovanni size 00. It retail for $700, and we have it for $420. Alright, this next one's another one that we just got in. It is also super pretty. It is a coral colored skirt. It also has pockets, and it is that satin skirt, and then the bodice here is this really pretty white lace, and then it has little AB stones throughout it, which is super pretty. And in the back of it, it is, let's see, it's a side zipper. So the top is a side zipper, and then the skirt is a back zipper. It is a Dave and Johnny size 2. It retailed for $550, and we have it for $299. This next one we just got today. We are super excited about it. It is this really pretty tulle skirt, and then it has this awesome embroidered floral lace on top, which is super pretty. There's that neckline, so it is a V neckline, and then the waistline here has tons of red stones and beads, which is super pretty. And then throughout the bodice and the skirt, they have the little red stones all over it. Super stunning. There's the back. We just absolutely love it, and it's just such a bright true red. It's a Sherry Heel size 4. It retailed for $950, and then we have it for $550. Alright, this next one also came in today, and we also love it very much. It is super stunning. It is this really pretty burgundy sequin, and then it fades into the really pretty gold sequins, and then the belt here is gold beading. It is a sweetheart neckline, but it does have a little bit of a V right there in the front of that sweetheart, and then it has that in modesty insert there. There's the back of it, and guys, even though it is fully beaded in sequins, it does have pockets. Super excited about that. It is a Tiffany size 14. It retailed for $550, and we have it for $331. The next one I've got here is this really pretty royal blue satin skirt, and then it is a two-piece, but the bodice here has a nude underlay with a bunch of really pretty royal blue stones on top of it. So the top is fully beaded, and then the waistline of the skirt, because it is a two-piece, is also beaded in the same stones. I do believe it has pockets, if I can find them. Yep, it does have pockets. And then the back of it here is the Illusion fabric with all the stones all over it, and it is a zipper back on the skirt and the bodice. This is a Maury Lee size 18 for $299. This next one here is a really pretty navy, super sweet and simple. It is just a really nice jersey skirt, and then the bodice here is this lace, and then it does have kind of that illusion look where it's just got the basic lace on it, and then the bodice at the very top of this neckline has those clear stones, and then the back of it, same thing, has that lace kind of illusion look, and then it does have a little keyhole right there, and then the back of it is zipper back. So zipper back skirt and bodice, and the skirt does have a little split in the front there. It is a size 0 for $84. So that's a really nice one for a really great price if you're trying to stay budget friendly this prom season. This next one, another really pretty one. There is this really awesome ruffle skirt, and then it has these little cute like appliques of like lace with some beading, which is super pretty. And then the trim of it, it has a little bitty horsehair trim on each ruffle, and then the bodice is these navy sequins all over, super stunning. It is one of those sweetheart V necklines with that modesty insert. There's the back of it, really nice and simple back. Once again, there's those ruffles and those sequins. It is a size 14 Giovanni. It retailed for $7.50 and we have it for $4.25. This next one is another one that has just come in. It is this really stunning and super fun skirt that is white and black stripes. It is honestly just really fun and flirty, and then the top of it here is just really nice and simple black satin with a high neckline. The back of it, this connects here, sorry. So it has the back out right there, and then it connects down here, and then like it kind of goes out kind of like a triangle. It is a size 12. It retailed for $500 and we have it for $2.99. This is one of my absolute favorites because I love green, and this one especially has this really pretty emerald green stones all over it, and it's not your typical just full sequins, but it has like a floral kind of design to it, which is super fun and cool. The top of it there is that that illusion fabric right there at the top. The skirt's a nice pretty satin. Let's see if there's no pockets on this one, unfortunately, but it is super pretty. And then there's the back of it. The back of it is that illusion fabric, but it does have a little bit of that black there, so it does have some illusion, but it does have some of the lining on it too. It's a size 2. It retailed for $4.50 and we have for $2.51. This last one that I have for you guys is this really pretty, the tulle here has this really awesome dot design, and then underneath there is that nude underlay, and then the bodice is that nude underlay with a really pretty lace on top, and then it has that dotted up here again. It's a little bit see-through at the very top, but it is, does have that nude underneath it too. And then here's the back. So it does have kind of a V back here, and then it is a zipper back. Like I said, that skirt's super fun and flirty too. This one is a Sherry Hill size 6. It retailed for $800 and we have it for $4.99. So guys, Michelle just did a new jewelry order, so we're gonna get tons more jewelry in today too, or in the next couple weeks too, so be looking for that. We keep getting dresses every single day, so definitely come in and check with us, and if you have a dress that you want to consign, come see us, because we would love to consign those, because you get half of whatever it sells for after it sells. Thank you guys, bye.